guys, it's Altcoin Sarah here, and once again another educational video. This time we are covering up the topic of stablecoins, and the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and this means that the price of coin can rise and plummet abruptly, which makes it difficult for investors to zero down on a particular coin. However, stablecoins actually solve this issue, and we're going to take a look at what stablecoins are, how stablecoins work, and major stablecoins cryptocurrency enthusiasts should know about. So let's start off with what is a stablecoin. A stablecoin is a digital asset that is pegged to a stable reserve asset like the US dollar or gold. And stablecoins are designed to reduce volatility relative to the aggregate cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. And stablecoins with the biggest market capitalizations are worth exactly $1 at any given time. Well, there are some minor fluctuations here and there, but in principle, they are worth exactly $1, which makes them much more stable than the overall cryptocurrency markets, which are extremely volatile. And stablecoins are typically linked to major exchanges or cryptocurrency projects. Like for example, crypto exchange Coinbase helped fund USD Coin, and Binance, which is another exchange, helped launch USD Coin, which has a ticker of BUSD. And now the stablecoins track the price of currencies like the euro and even the price of gold. And stablecoin supply actually increased from around 3 billion in 2019 to more than 100 billion in 2021. So, how do stablecoins work? Well, you can buy, sell, and hold stablecoins like any other cryptocurrency using a crypto exchange or a cryptocurrency wallet. And whenever you make a transaction, it's recorded on a public ledger, which is known as a blockchain. The blockchain gives stablecoins and other crypto unique features you don't get with regular dollars at your bank. For example, you can send your stablecoins to anyone in the world with an internet connection and a compatible cryptocurrency wallet. While there may be some network fees, stablecoins are more affordable than some banks' international wire fees. And for cryptocurrency traders, as well as investors, stablecoins act as a way to take your money out of the market without converting back to a government-backed fiat currencies. Some stablecoins offer interest for holding them in a compatible cryptocurrency account. So, what types of stablecoins do we have? And all stablecoins are cryptocurrencies, but that doesn't mean they all work the same way. Each company or developer group behind the coin can choose between different blockchain technologies, compatibility, and the underlying assets. So using this framework, stablecoins come in a range of flavors, and the collateralized stablecoins use a variety of types of assets as backing. So we have fiat, and fiat is one of the most common collateral for stablecoins, and the US dollar is the most popular among fiat currencies. But companies are exploring stablecoins pegged to other fiat currencies as well, such as Lira, which is pegged to a Turkish lira. We have precious metals. Some cryptocurrencies are tied to the value of precious metals, such as gold and silver. We go to cryptocurrencies. Some stablecoins even use other cryptocurrencies, such as Tether, the native token of the Ethereum network, as collateral. So like I said previously, fiat is the most commonly used collateral against stablecoins. So just to name a few, we have Tether, we've got USD Coin, we've got Binance USD, we've got DAI, Terra USD, True USD, and while there are many other currencies in the stablecoin landscape, the dollar is tied to a significant chunk of stablecoins market cap. Each stablecoin may use its own blockchain or trade on other blockchains. So for example, Binance USD coin works on both the ERC20 standard, which is the technical lingo for compatibility with the Ethereum blockchain essentially, and Binance's own BEP2 standard. So what can you do with stablecoins? Well, you can minimize volatility, and the value of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether fluctuates a lot, sometimes even by the minute. An asset that's pegged to a more stable currency can give buyers and sellers certainty that the value of their tokens won't rise or crash unpredictably in the near future. Well, secondly, you can trade or save the assets, and you don't need a bank account to hold stablecoins, and they're easy to transfer. Stablecoins value can be sent easily around the globe, including to places where the US dollar may be hard to obtain or where the local currency is unstable. Thirdly, you can earn interest, and there are actually ways to earn interest, typically higher than what a bank would offer on a stablecoin investment. 4. Transfer money cheaply, and people have sent as much as $1 million worth of USDC with transfer fees of less than $1. Lastly, well, probably not lastly, but lastly on this video, you can send internationally, and fast processing and low transaction fees make stablecoins like USDC a good choice for sending money anywhere in the world. So, All good, but how do you actually buy those stablecoins? Well, you can acquire stablecoins through any major cryptocurrency exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance. And with a funded account, you can buy stablecoins similar to buying shares of stock through a brokerage account. And to hold stablecoins, you will need an account at a cryptocurrency exchange or a compatible cryptocurrency wallet. So, as the key takeaways for this video, I want you guys to remember that stablecoins are open, global, and accessible to anyone on the internet 24/7. They're fast, cheap, and secure to transit. They're digitally native to the internet and programmable. Stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency pegged to a major fiat currency or an asset like the US dollar. Well, you can buy, sell, hold, and exchange stablecoins similar to other cryptocurrencies. Stablecoins are useful for sending money to family or friends abroad or for any business transactions. And some stablecoins are controversial, notably Tether, so pick your stablecoins with care. Thank you so much all for tuning in. We're gonna come with more videos to you. Let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover. Follow us on social media and have an amazing day. Thank you.